Okay, so ready to fly my drone, but I have an idea. Hang on a minute. So these are the VR View FX virtual reality goggles that you can slide your phone in here. And I have just picked up the Litchi app for DJI, and I'm going to fly this with these on. One of the other cool things, I don't know if you can see it. Check this out. Look, 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 look. So you can see the camera on the drone, right? Watch this. Look up here. So now you should still be able to see both of them. But look at the VR headset. When I turn it down, the camera turns down. So it's got some sort of head tracking or GPS or something or other going on there. That's pretty daggum cool. So, here goes. These goggles don't fit with my glasses on, so I'm going to have to go without my glasses. Alright, I've got a readout on here too. It says my altitude, my distance, my speed. It also says which GPS satellites. So there's 9 of those. And it also says my battery is at 78%. So, if all goes well, I should be able to take off here. I think I'm going to sit down so I don't fall over. So here goes. Alright, started it up. Actually, I'm going to get it in the air and then put the goggles on. Alright, there it is, up in the air. Now I got the goggles on. Oh, holy moly, this is cool. If it tracked right and left, that would be even cooler. Right now, when I look down, the camera looks down. When I look back up, the camera looks up. I look down, and it's looking down. That is so cool. Like if I back up a little bit, and I look down, hey, there I am. Woo! That is so cool. So let's go forward a little bit. Wow. That is just so cool. Let's fly over there. I'm going to stop for a minute and look down. That's so cool.
What you doing?
Hi, I'm flying the drone.
With your virtual reality.
I got the Litchi app.
Cool.
And it has a VR setting so that you can put your phone, instead of it being on here, you can put your phone in here.
Oh, neat.
And see it. And when you look down, the camera looks down. When you look back up, the camera looks back up.
So you have to go slow.
Super awesome.
Wow.
And I'm also taping this in 360, just in case. That's why I was talking and there was nobody here. I was talking to the nice people on YouTube.
So if you look side to side,
It doesn't turn.
yeah, it's just up and down.
Yeah.
Whoa.
You want to try?
Yeah.
Here, put these on.
Whoa.
So look down. Look back up.
Kind of busy.
Well, that's why I sat down.
Oh, that's cool.
So,
So if you turn your head,
yeah, it doesn't do that.
oh,
It'd be cool if it did that.
yeah.
So, Litchi folks, if you're listening, head tracking this way. I mean, this way is
That's
cool.
the right.
I like this, but this is
So-
even better.
Go forward.
Let me put my glasses back on so I can see what I'm doing.
I'm gonna hold something.
Hold on, hold on. I'm gonna get you a chair.
I'm gonna fire. All right, I'm gonna go straight forward. I'm gonna take a left. I'm gonna go up a little bit more. I'm gonna turn around and come back towards us.
That is cool.
Can you look at us?
Us,
Can you see us?
kind of at an angle.
We get a little closer. There, how's that?
I can see us perfectly.
Hello. I wonder if this thing's still recording. It is.
Whoa, it's perfectly on time. Like
Mhm.
whenever you were walking, I saw you perfectly working or walking with your steps.
No lag.
No lag at all.
Awesome. And this that app. See, I bought the bundle of the AutoPilot app and the Litchi app, and I don't remember what the prices were. I think the Litchi app was $27.99, and the AutoPilot app, which I haven't tried yet, was $34.99.
Yeah.
Can't find the sticks.
They don't go down any more than that.
Okay.
So what do you think?
That is awesome. Super fun. How do you take a picture?
Right now it's actually recording,
Oh.
I think. There's a little red dot in the bottom right hand corner.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's recording.
that looks so cool.
You want to try, honey?
I don't know that it's gonna make me kind of sick.
It could.
Yeah.
You can let mom put it on for a second.
Well, hold on. Let me put the on.
It's kind of blurry.
Oh,
Well, it's adjusted for my eyes.
Yeah.
yeah, that's very blurry.
Well, like I said, it's adjusted for my eyes. Look down.
Oh, neat.
I have this set up for this one.
Yeah, too bad it doesn't track that way.
Yeah.
That's really cool. Like it feels like you're up.
Yeah, it's
with
like-
the drone.
Yeah.
Ooh, you're moving.
Yep. I just moved a little bit. I didn't want you to get sick or anything.
Yeah. Yeah. Other than the, you know.
Other than possibly getting sick and not being able to turn it from side to side.
Yeah. Yeah, I think if you could turn it from side to side, that would be amazing.
That would be. Now, it's possible that on drones like the Inspire, that can actually pan the camera 360 degrees, it
Yeah.
may have that ability.
Oh, sure.
But since the Phantom 3 standard doesn't have that ability, the only thing you can do is just pan the whole drone.
Down or up.
Yeah. here we are. Hi, us. Hi.
There's a plane above you. I mean, it's a long ways above you.
Oh, you're waving now?
Waving.
Oh, that sunset's not bad. Sort of a starburst. Yes.
Little baby mosquitoes.
That is just way cool. I mean, it feels like you're up there.
Yeah.
And normally, I'm like afraid of heights and stuff. This isn't freaking me out at all.
Yeah.
It feels more
Feels
natural.
like you're in an airplane looking up at the
Yeah. There's nothing directly above me, right?
Nope. The airplane house.
It's kind of trippy to be looking down at yourself.
Yeah.
All right, 200 feet. I'm at 36% of the battery. So I think I'm going to start coming back down. There it is. That's the stuff I'm starting to see the landing. Ooh, a lot of airplanes going today. That was awesome. That was worth the money on that one. That is just way, way, way cool.